As standard, the BMW M2 and M2 Competition come fitted with large rubber bushes in their front lower control arms. These bushes deflect heavily under heavy braking and can cause toe changes, steering wheel movements, and a reduction in braking grip. We've designed and manufactured our own front solid control arm bush to go into the front control arms, and these keep them fixed in place under heavy braking to keep braking stable with increased levels of grip and reduced steering wheel movements. This makes turning more responsive and more effective, and also gives more traction on turning. Our solid front control arm bushes use a BMW solid bush. This means that our bushes can be fitted on a road car with minimal increase in noise and vibration, and are a great upgrade for fast road use too. All of our products are designed and manufactured in-house at Suspension Secrets and our CNC machines. This gives us full control over the manufacturing processes, quality control, and the output quality of our components for all of our customers.